Welcome to the Dintalks Channel. Today Dintalks Channel has come up with new videos, and that's his 5 best mini PC you can buy. The link of the products also giving in the description box. Please like, comment, and share. Also, press the bell icon for features update. The first one on the list, Acer Chromebox. Intel Celeron dual-core processor, 3867U with Intel HD graphics, 610. 4GB DDR4, 2133 MHz memory, and 128GB M2 SSD. 802, 11AC Wi-Fi 5, Gigabit Ethernet LAN and Bluetooth 4.2 LAN. 1. USB 3.1 Type-C Gen 1 ports up to 5 Gbps. Display port over USB-C. USB charging. 3. USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 2 front and 1 rear. 2. USB 2.0 ports and 1 HDMI port. Chrome OS keyboard, mouse, and VESA mounting kit included. The second one on the list, OEM Lenovoe ThinkCentre M70. Processor, Intel Hexa-Core i5-10400T, 6 cores, 2.0 GHz, 3.6 GHz, 12 MB cache, hard drive, 256 GB NVMe, RAM, 16 GB DDR4, 2666 MHz, Wi-Fi, Intel AX200-111X, Windows 10 Pro, Windows 11 Pro Ready graphics, Intel UHD 630. Warranty: 3-year Lenovo on-site warranty, 3-year Genuine limited warranty, memory and hard drive upgrade. The third one on the list, Apple Mac Mini M1. Apple designed M1 chip for a giant leap in CPU, GPU, and machine learning performance. 8-core CPU packs up to 3x faster performance to fly through workflows quicker than ever. 8-core GPU with up to 6x faster graphics for graphics-intensive apps and games. 16-core neural engine for advanced machine learning. 8 GB of unified memory, so everything you do is fast and fluid. The fourth one on the list, Intel NUC 9 Extreme Kit. Target usage: virtual reality, gaming creator, 9th generation Intel Core i7-9750H, NUC 9i with Intel UHD graphics, 350 MHz, 1.15 GHz. Supports Microsoft Windows. Supports Intel Optane SSD and Intel Optane memory, M10 and H10 ready. Support up to 3x 4K displays. 2x Thunderbolt 3 HDMI 2.0a. Installs memory that reduces processor's idle time and enhances computer's performance. The last one on the list, Beelink U59 Mini PC. The latest release is 10 nm lithography and professional office mini PC Beelink U59 mini computers. Equips with 11th Gen 4 cores and 5095 up to 2.9 GHz, 4 cores, and 4 threads for efficient simultaneous multitasking. The multitasking works buttery smooth. This mini PC is suitable for Zoom meetings and Skype, allows to run Office, surf the internet, and watch stream video at the same time. Dual display and wireless supports. Beelink U59 PC Mini can connect 3 monitors at the same time, which can achieve a simultaneous multitask display. Dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi with stronger resisting disturbance and more stable wireless signal. And that's all for today's video. Links of the products is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.